Our mission is to make housing affordable by mass-producing buildings in a factory. There's not enough housing in the country, and we think we can dramatically bring down the cost through mass production, assembly line principles, automation, and that's our goal.
I have found BOXABL as a company to be extremely responsive, a great partner to work with.
It feels amazing. It feels like it's really on the edge of something great.
As a nurse, I like efficiency, I like speed. Things that need to get done, I want them done, and I want them done right. And BOXABL has proven that that is completely accurate.
Way cheaper than a stick-built home. Quicker way to start making money because you can set it up so quick.
We set it on the foundation. That probably took about 10 minutes. Both the clients are very excited to get this thing going and be able to start using it.
If you're looking for a value add to your property and you want it to be quick and affordable, this could be the solution.
It's a turnkey, it comes ready with everything you need. It's fast to deploy, it's fast to get permitted. For me, if I'm looking at doing an ADU or again, an affordable housing project, BOXABL is at the top of the list and it's not even close in my opinion.
$2 hours to unfold everything and then start screwing everything together. Having this thing available right now within a day is insane to me.